Over this. What am I do? Over this. Alright, come on, man. Alright, there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Junior, I hope you finish your homework. You're playing all that video game. Anthony, I need to ask you a favor. I forgot to buy cat litter. Can you go to the store and get it for me, please? Just get the brand Bijou, and also get some kitty food. Thank you so much, son. Junior, you have chores to do upstairs. Remember that? Alright, Grandma. I'm telling you that, man. I will teach him how to play a game.
Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you know where the liquor store is.
Yeah, it's downstairs on your left next to the Dollarama. I don't think it's open right now, so you probably have to wait a couple hours.
You mean I came too early? Oh my.
There's a food court nearby if you want to get something to eat and wait. You know, if you want to kill some extra time.
Really?
Yeah, they have Chinese food, Jamaican food, whatever you like.
I love Jamaican food. My mom, she's half Jamaican. Are you from Jamaica?
Yeah, born and raised. You ever been to Jamaica?
Oh yes, quite a few times with my mother and her father. You wanna grab some food with me while I wait?
Alright.
What you want now, Diana? I'm not in the mood. Listen to me. We done buy everything what you want. How much longer now you gonna want blackmail me, little girl?
So, oh, you make me sound some mommy E. You make me sound wicked. Anyways, Louis is coming over today and he's going to spend the night. That won't be a problem, right? I mean, we wouldn't want Adam to know about Anthony's son in your belly. But anyways, can you make us some food? Curry goat would be nice. Hi, Adam.
Adam, we had one so early.
I'm just checking if you're okay, my love.
That little girl is really getting on top of my nerves. I don't know why I even brought her. It's just pissed me off. But anyways, did you buy my chocolate ice cream I asked you for? With the pineapple filling? I love you now. I can just count on you for anything. Do you want to feel the baby cake?
He's kicking already. Oh, he's a strong one, ain't he? Strong boy.
He's kicking up a storm every single night. He's so active. I can't wait to see him.
Oh, I can't wait either. I feel
feel so happy I'm getting another son. Maybe this time will be different. Anyways, I gotta deal with some paperwork, but I'll take you out this evening and buy you something to eat.
Hey, Lois. Yeah, you ready? Alright, make sure you bring the weed. Yeah, man. And some snacks too, okay? We're gonna turn up. A, 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 A. Really miss you. Come here.
Ew, gross! Hi, Olivia. I'm sorry about what you saw a while ago. But listen, come here, let me talk to you, okay, little sis? What you saw a while ago, I want you to keep it between us, okay? Don't let mommy know what you saw, alright? If you promise me, I'll get you that new game you wanted, that Pokemon game. What do you say?
Alright, I promise I won't let Mom know what I saw. But that's gross. He's a boy and you're a girl. That's gross. Why is he in your room? Aren't you afraid you're gonna get like cooties or something?
Cooties?
Yeah, cooties. Mom says boys have cooties. That's why I shouldn't let boys come near me.
How do you feel about mom having a baby? Are you excited that you're gonna be a big sister? And you know you shouldn't always listen to mom. She's not always right about everything. If you want to know more stuff, come ask me.
I wanted a little sister, not a little brother. And Mom says that the baby's gonna be here soon.
Not soon, but pretty close. When the baby's here, you have to learn how to change diapers and feed him and all that. Are you excited about that? Do you think I can do it? I feel like you're gonna make a great big sister, so don't worry, okay? And you'll get used to him, just like how I got used to you.
Do you think Mom's gonna let me dress him up? I want to dress him in all types of clothes. He's gonna look so cute, isn't he?
If he looks like you, of course he's gonna be adorable. Maybe you should help mom pick out some boy names for him. Go talk to her about it later. What do you say?
I want him to be named after Daddy, Junior.
Yeah, wouldn't that be something? Junior. Funny.